Okay. So I'm taking one list. Okay. Suppose I'm taking one list and this list is having numbers 101, 102, 103 and 104. So we already discussed like there are four elements in this list and all the elements are stored at some specific position. Okay. So this 101, this is stored in the 0th position. Okay. 0th position. This 102 is stored in the first position. Okay. This 103, second position. This 104, this is the third position. Okay. So these position started with 0. Okay. This is also known as indexing. Okay. So indexing always start with 0, right? So if I will print L0, okay, what output I will get? 101, because from the list L, I'm taking element which is stored at 0th index, okay, 0th index, which is 101. 101 will be printed. If I will print L1, okay, I will get 102. Print L3, I will get 103. Sorry, second position. Print L3, I will get 104. Okay. Now there are four elements. So I have printed like this. Print first element, print second element, print third element, print fourth element. Suppose in this list I'm having 1000 elements. Okay. So printing 1000 elements like this. Okay. This is very challenging task. Okay. So is there anything using for loop we can print all the elements? Yes, we can print. How? For I in range. Okay. What range we can do? See here. If there are four elements here, number of elements are four. Number of elements equals to 4. Okay. So length of this L, length of L here, I will get as 4, right? From 0, I need to start, or first argument is optional. So we can do like this. Okay. For I in range, length L. Okay. Or we can give 0 to length L. Okay. Now, if I will print I, what will be my output? Okay. See, length of L is 4 here. Why 4? Because number of elements present in list L, these are 4, right? So it is like this one. For I in range 0 to 4. Okay. Print I means it the printing will be start from 0. It will go till 1, 2 and 3. It will not go till 4. Why? 4 will not be included because this loop will go till 4 minus 1, that is 3 only. So this point is clear, right? Thank you, Paula.
Yeah.
Yes, Vivek. Yeah.
So if I will print I 0, 1, 2, 3, these will be printed. If you observe one thing, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. See, here we are having 0, 1, 2, 3. These are nothing but list indexes, right? So if I will print Li, if I will print Li one by one, it is printing. It will be printing all the elements from this list. Okay, I will show you. First of all, this 0 will come inside this I variable. Okay, so print I means 0. Okay, print Li, L value of I is 0 here, right? So L0 is nothing but our first element of this list, that is 101. Okay, so 101 will be printed here. Now this one value, this will come inside I variable. Okay, now print I. What it will be printed? It will print 1 here, right? Now Li, L value of I is 1 here. Okay, what it will print? First element is stored inside list L. This is 102. Okay, 102 will be printed. Now this 2 will be stored inside this variable I. Okay, print I means it will print 2 here. Okay, Li means L value of I is 2 and L2 is nothing but 103, right? We have written L2 here, 103. 103. Now this number 3, this will come inside this variable I. So print I means it will print 3 here. Li means L3. L3 is nothing but 104. Okay, here I'm having L3 as 104. So one by one, it will print all the elements of the list. Okay, now I will show you. Okay, so I'm taking list L equals to, here I'm storing 101, 102, 103, 104. Okay, there are 4 elements in this list. For I in range 0 to length of L. Length of L means how many elements are there in this list. Okay, that is, we can calculate using length of L. Okay, now after this for loop, I need to apply colon here. So if I will print I will show you what will be printed here. Saving this file, clicking on the run button, run module, see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 will not be included here because loop will go till n minus 1. Okay, now print L of I. Okay, I'm saving this. I'm removing this print I. Now saving this, clicking on the run button and run module. Yes, all the elements are printed over here. 101, 102, 103, 104. Okay. Any question? Denjo, Paula.
No, Vivek. Yeah, I'm good.
Thank you. So see, so we have taken list here. Inside this list, we are having 4 elements, 102, 103, and 104. So this list is nothing but sequence data type. Okay, this is sequence data type. Sequence means we have stored some numbers inside this list. This is nothing but a sequence data type. So we are having list as a sequence data type. Is there any other data type like list? Yes, we are having tuples. See, t equals to 101, 102, 103, 104. Okay, we are having tuples here. This is also a sequence data type. It is storing some, okay, some data in this. What is the difference between a list and a tuple? We can change elements of the list, but we cannot change elements of a tuple, right? That concept is known as, here lists are mutable and tuples are immutable. Immutable means we cannot change the elements inside the tuple. Okay, we are having strings like hello. Okay, this is nothing but sequence of character. Okay, so s equals to hello. So all of these are sequence data types, and using for loop, we can iterate all the elements of sequences. Okay, just like we are having hello, right? S equals to hello we are having. Now for I in range, see this H, this is stored in the 0th position of this S string, right? This E, this is stored in the first index of this S string. This L is stored on the 0, 1 to second index of this string. Again, this L is stored in the third index. O is stored in the fourth index, okay? Like this. So how we can get all the characters of this string? So starting with from 0, length of S. What is the length of S? Length of S means how many characters are there in this string. Okay, how many characters are there? 5 characters are there. So length of S means 5 characters, right? So range 0 to 5, range 0 to 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 will not be included. Okay, because the loop will go till 5 minus 1, that is 4. Now, if I will print S of I, each time this number will be stored inside this I variable, and we can get that index value from that string. Okay, now I will show you. S equals to hello. Okay, this S is a string, okay, which is having some characters HELLO, right? This H is stored on the 0th index. This E is stored on the first index. This L is stored on the second index, right? So we can apply for loop here for I in range from 0 to till length of S. Okay. After for loop, we have to apply colon here. Then we can do print S of I. Okay. I'm saving this, clicking on the run button and module. Yeah, HELLO. Now I will explain you how HELLO is coming. Now see here. Yeah. So if I will print I here, what will be printed? First time 0 will come inside this I variable. Print I, that means 0 will be printed. Second time this 1 will come inside this I variable. Okay, print I, that means 1 will be printed. Then 2 will come inside this I variable. Print I, that means 2 will be printed. Like this, 3, 4. Here 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be printed. Now if you will observe, these are nothing but indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if I will put S here, okay, I will put S here, S here, S here, S here, right? It will give me all the characters which are present on these indexes. Okay, so what I need to do, print S and I. Okay, so first 0 will come inside this I variable. Okay, S 0, S0, S0, it will give me H. Then 1 will come inside this I variable. So S1, S1. S1 means E will be printed. Okay, like this, HELLO will be printed. So any question, any doubt in this example?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, thank you. How about you, Denjul?
I'm good, Vivek. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. See, now if you will observe one thing, we have taken one list which is having one node 1, one node 2, one node 3, and one node 4. We are getting each elements. Okay, we are getting each elements by indexing, right? So we are going on each index and we are getting that element, right? Similarly, in the string also, we are going to each index and we are getting the character. So is there any easy way to get all the elements instead of going with the indexing? Is there any alternate way? Yes, there is one alternate way also. Okay. See, I'm having this list L equals to one node 1, one node 2, one node 3, one node 4. Okay. Now there is one more. I can say this is the beautiful concept. Okay. This is present in Java also, but not in C. Okay. Using C, we have to get elements through indexing only. So in Java and Python, we are having this. We are having this concept. Okay. Now see 4 I in. Instead of using that range length of list like that, we can give the list name. What is the list name here? L, right? That means variable name in which this all the elements are stored. So here the variable name is L. So what I have did is for I in, instead of using that range and length of L, simply I need to give variable name, list name. Okay. Now, if I will print I, if I will print I, one by one, all the elements will come inside this variable I. Okay. So there are 4 elements in this list. 4 elements, right? One node 1, one node 2, one node 3, one node 4. Right? 4 elements. First time this one node 1 will come inside this variable I, and directly this will be printed. Second time one node 2 will come inside this variable I and print I, one node 2 will be printed. Third time one node 3 will come inside this variable I, print I, one node 3 will be printed. Fourth time this one node 4 will come inside this variable I and one node 4 will be printed. Okay. Now I will show you. Okay, I'm having one list which contains element one node 1, one node 2, one node 3, and one node 4. Okay. So for I in node range, directly I need to give list name, that is L. If I will print I here, one by one, each element of this list will come inside this I variable, and that will be printed. Okay, saving this, clicking on the run button, run module. Yeah, one node 1, one node 2, one node 3, one node 4. I'm getting this. Okay, so there are 2 ways here to get the elements from the list. The first way is through indexing. Okay, we can go to each index of the list, and through that index we can get the element. Okay, and the second one is we can directly get the list element. Okay, so is this concept clear, Bhavna? I think there is some network drop at Denjo's end, so he dropped. Am I audible, Bhavna? Hello, am I audible?